To watch videos and make money online, all you have to do is to open your browser to search sproutgigs.com in the Google search bar and hit enter. After hitting enter, it will take you to a home page like this. So as you can see, Sprout Gigs, where the world works, an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tax. Okay, so you can browse gigs here. For you to sign up, all you have to do is to click here, sign up. After clicking on the sign up, it will take you to this homepage where you have to enter your details. Guys, it's very simple. Just fill in the password, your email, confirm your password, nickname, select the country that you are. But in order for you to make money, just check this one: I am a freelancer. Okay, then agree to the terms and conditions, just sign up, verify your account. Everything is simple. So guys, I'm gonna log in into my account and show you how you can watch videos and make money. If you're in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, you can watch videos and make money. Very simple. So let me log in. All right, so as you can see, it only needs your email and password. So I'm gonna hit remember me, so that always I will be entering those passwords, guys. So when you hit continue, it will take you to the home page. After signing up, you have to see something like this. So as you can see, this is my total earned here, 0.4815, and guys, everything here is legit. If you want to make money online in Africa, try sproutgigs.com, formerly known as Pico Workers. So how do you watch videos and make money? All you have to do is to click on micro jobs here. All right, watch the video to the end. I will show you another way to make money and show you the best strategies that you can make a lot of money. So as you can see, this is my finished tax. I've performed 8 tax, and the tax that has been satisfied and paid is what it says. Okay, sometimes if you don't follow the instructions well, you won't be paid. So pay attention to every details here when you have to perform a simple task. So in order for us to watch videos online and make money, all you have to do is to click on find jobs here. So just click on that. Okay, after clicking on that, guys, just look at this one: watch videos for 5 seconds and you will be making $4.250. And you can see a lot of people have performed this tax. It's left with only 3 people. So by the time I'm recording, I can perform this and make $4 online. All you have to do, if you want to perform this tax, all you have to do is to click on that. Then I want you to pay attention. Sometimes your country will be excluded, so mostly check here if your country is excluded, meaning you can't perform this micro tax. All right, when you check here, no country is excluded, meaning wherever that you are, you can perform this simple tax and make money. So how do you perform the tax? All you have to do is to scroll down and follow this, what is expected from freelancers. The very first thing is to go to. So when you see go to, all you have to do is to click this, then open a new browser like this and paste it here and hit enter. Next is to complete human verification by any service or PIN submitted or app installed to get PIN code. All right, so when you come here, you have to complete any of these. Everything is simple. If you want the survey, just click on take this survey and it will take you to the survey in order for you to verify that you are a human being. Guys, if you want me to do a full video, comment in the description box and I'll come back and take you through step by step. Everything is simple here. Just continue, verify that you are not a robot. All right, then the next is when you verify, a PIN code will be generated for you. Submit it as proof. Guys, pay attention here. So after performing the human verification, you will get a PIN code, and that PIN code will be submitted as a proof that you watched that video. All right, after that, it says watch video for 5 seconds, guys, and it will take you to YouTube. So now the next thing is to check what is required from you as a proof. Okay, so required proof that tax was finished. the P code. Guys, everything is simple. Just submit the P code and you will earn $4 after watching the videos. So how do you submit your proofs? All right, all you have to do is to head over to this place and type the P code. Assuming it is 6 digits, all you have to do is to type here and click submit. So after submitting that, it will be under pending. So you will see there $4.250 here as pending. So when the work is approved, it will be added to your earn money here. Guys, everything here is simple. Let's go back and check another way. Okay, so you can see you can watch videos for 10 seconds again and make $2.550 online. So with your smartphone, your laptop, you can perform a lot of works online in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon, and make money. All right, there's a lot. You can also subscribe to channels and make money. Guys, you can see people are performing this task. It's left with only 7 people to complete this task. This one is left with only 4 people. Now let me show you the trick to make a lot of money here. When you head over to this place and you want to make money in a particular day, I want you to pay attention to this work that a lot of people are doing, meaning that work is easy to perform. All right, so as you can see, this one, a lot of people have take this project or this task, and you can also perform that. It's simple. When you watch this one, you can see it's $1 and a lot of people are doing it, meaning this work is easy to perform. All right, let me check something for you. So when you check this one is what? $3.400, and few people are doing this, meaning sometimes this work will be difficult to perform it, but if you can follow it step by step, you'll be making a lot of money online. So just perform this task, watch the videos, and guys, you can make a lot of money from this website, sproutgigs.com. all right, so when you want to withdraw your money, if you want to withdraw your money, all you have to do is to head over to your wallet. Just click here and proceed. Guys, you can click here and request withdrawal. All right, so when you request withdrawal, there's a lot of ways to withdraw your money. Okay, so you can use PayPal, Litecoin, USD Coin, Payoneer. Guys, if you want me to show you how to withdraw your money using Payoneer, leave a comment and I will come and show you. So with Litecoin, you can use your Binance app to withdraw this. All you have to do is to copy your Litecoin details from your Binance app and paste it here. Guys, after meeting the withdrawal threshold, there's a threshold for every withdrawal method here, and after hitting that threshold, you can request your money. Everything is simple. If you want me to do full video for you, subscribe to the channel. I'll perform a lot of tasks to meet the withdrawal threshold, come back and show you how to withdraw your money wherever that you are watching me. Everything is simple here. So let me cancel this. You can make a lot of money from this website, but if you don't know how to make money work for you whilst you are asleep, you will still be working for money your entire life. So watch this video that will pop up here. The link will also be in the description to know how to make your money work for you by investing into US stocks. And guys, you make a lot of money. If this video helps you, subscribe, join the community. Let's move on to the next video. See you. Stay blessed.